हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इकोनॉमिक्स एकेडमी। आई एम अनुषा अग्रवाल एंड आज हम अपना 6th वीडियो कवर करेंगे कंप्यूटर एब्रीविएशंस का। ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट 30 एब्रीविएशन सीखते हैं। सो फर्स्ट एब्रीविएशन इज़ NIC, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड। इट इज़ जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कनेक्टिंग अ कंप्यूटर टू अ नेटवर्क either through cables or wirelessly. Next is NTFS, New Technology File System. NMEICT, National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Next is NAT, Network Address Translation. It is just the ability of a router to translate the public IP address to a private IP address and a private IP address to a public IP address. It just adds the security to the network by keeping the private IP address hidden from the outside world. That is NAT, Network Address Translation. Then next is number lock, NTP, Network Time Protocol. Network time protocol is a protocol that allows the synchronization of system clocks, that is from desktop to servers. NIIT, National Institute of Information Technology. It is the multinational education oriented organization whose focus is on ICT, that is the Information and Communication Technology. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NETBIOS, Network Based Input Output System. It allows computer communication over a LAN, that is the local area network, and allows them to share files and printers and etc. OOPS, Object Oriented Programming System. It allows users to create the objects they want and create methods to handle those objects. Then operating system, OS. OSS is open source software. Is a computer software that is released under a license in which copyright holder grants users the right to use, study, change and distribute the software. ठीक है ना. Then OCR is optical character recognition. It is just a technology which enables you to convert different type of documents such as PDF files and images captured by the digital camera into editable and searchable data. ठीक है, that is the optical character recognition. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज OMR, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रिकॉग्निशन, जिसको हम ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडिंग भी बोल सकते हैं. ये क्या होता है? इट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ कैप्चरिंग द ह्यूमन मार्क्ड डेटा फ्रॉम डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्म्स सच एज surveys, tests, and these are used to read the questionnaires and multiple choice examination papers in the form of lines and all etc. Okay, then next is OEM, optical original equipment manufacturer. ठीक है, this is manufacturer, original equipment manufacturer. ठीक है. What is this? It refers to a company that builds a product designed for end users like PCs and laptops and printers and so on. ठीक है. Next 16th abbreviation is OPENGL, Open Graphics Library. OSI, Open Systems interconnection. It is just a conceptual framework which is used to describe the functions of a networking system. ठीक है. Then next is PAN, PAN, Personal Area Network. ठीक है. Personal area network, we can say when two or more computers or cell phones interconnect to one another wirelessly over a short range. PDF, portable document format. POP, post office protocol. It is used as a protocol to retrieve the email from the mail server. Then next is PC, personal computer. PDA, personal digital assistant. PCI, peripheral component interconnect, is the most common way to attach add-on controller cards and other devices to a computer motherboard. Then next is PNG, portable network graphics. It is just a file format which can be used for image compressions. Okay. Then next is POSG, that is the power on self test, is a process performed by the software routines immediately after a computer or other digital electronic device is powered on. ठीक है ना. Then next is PPP, point to point protocol. Point to point protocol is we can say that it is a data link protocol which commonly used in establishing a direct connection between the two networking nodes. Nodes is cables and connections. ठीक है ना. Then PROM, programmable read only memory. It is just one type of read only memory. Then shortcut key of print screen is PRT SCN. Then PSU is power supply unit and PB is petabyte. Petabyte we know like सबसे पहले KB आता है and then फिर MB आता है and then उससे बड़ी यूनिट GB होती है, then TB होती है and next one is PB, that is the petabyte. ठीक है. सो जल्दी से एक क्विक रिवीजन कर लेते हैं हम अपनी एब्रीवेशंस की, ताकि हमें एब्रीवेशन साथ के साथ याद हो जाए. NIC, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड. NTFS, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी फाइल सिस्टम. NMEICT, नेशनल मिशन ऑन एजुकेशन थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. NAT, नेटवर्क एड्रेस ट्रांसलेशन. नमलॉक, नंबर लॉक. NTP, नेटवर्क टाइम प्रोटोकॉल. NIIT, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. NASA, नेशनल एरोनॉटिक्स एंड स्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. NETBIOS, नेटवर्क बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम. OOPS, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम. OS, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. OSS, ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर. OCR, ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन. OMR, optical mark recognition and we can say optical mark reading. OEM, original equipment manufacturer. OpenGL, open graphics library. OSI, open system interconnection. PAN, personal area network. PDF, portable document format. POP, post office protocol. PC, personal computer. PDA, personal digital assistant. PCI, peripheral component interconnect. PNG, portable network graphics. POST, power on self test. PPP, point to point protocol. PROM, programmable read only memory. PRT SCN, print screen. PSU, power supply unit and PB, petabyte. सो आज की 30 एब्रीवेशंस का टारगेट कंप्लीट होता है.